Ready to learn? Come sing with me. It's time for fun on Tutor Me. 1, 2, 1, 2, Tutor Me. Dancing through the day. Phonics and stories, the fun learning way. Grammar and vocab, bright like the sun. Comprehension power, let's get it done. With Jennifer here, we laugh and learn. For knowledge and kindness, it's always our turn. So many cool things we're gonna see right here on 1, 2, Tutor Me. Let's shine and grow, don't miss the show. 1, 2.
Digraphs, short vowels with blends. A digraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. You don't say both letters, you just say one new sound. Here are some examples. CH like in chicken, SH like in ship, TH like in thumb, WH like in well, and PH like in phone. Let's say them together. CH says ch, PH says f, WH says v, TH says v, SH says sh. Now let's see it, read it, and shout it out with style. Path, rush, when, think, much, shed, chick, whisk, ship, shut, moth, thick, whisk, thick, chat, shut, wish, think, whisk, shop, ship, moth, cloth, check, when, thud. Now I'll show you a word and you say the sound the digraph makes. Shell, cheese, thumb, whistle, photos, I'm so proud of you. Great job.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2, Tutor Me's here for you. keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 122 Tormy says thank you.